Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome to my first cooking episode in the new year 2024. And what a great way to start the new year with a simple and easy dessert. It is so cold outside and I got some blueberries in the refrigerator. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all some blueberry dumplings. And my friends, it is the bomb.com delicious. It's going to be full of fresh blueberries and decadent dumplings. It was sure to make your mouth water. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and it will warm up your soul. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more blueberry recipes, check out my blueberry recipes playlist and my previous video, Hoppin' John. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your blueberries, your butter, your flour, and your pot sugar, because we're about to cook some blueberry dumplings magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is cook our blueberries. In my large pot, we're going to add in a quart of fresh blueberries that I rinsed and I removed the bad ones. A quart is 4 cups. You can also use strawberries or blackberries for this recipe. And into our blueberries, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of white sugar and 1.5 cups of water. Put in between 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water. Depends on how much liquid you like in your dumplings. And the juice of a large lemon. And give it a quick stir. Going to cut the fire on to high. Going to cover the pot and bring it to a boil. And while the blueberries come to a boil, let's go ahead and make our dumplings. In my medium bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and our leavenings, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and a pinch of salt. And give it a quick whisk until well blended. Alrighty, now we're going to add in 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter that I cut into cubes. And using a pastry cutter, or you can use a fork, we're going to cut the butter in until it reaches coarse crumbs. Alright, my friends, I'm through cutting the butter in. Nice coarse crumbs. That looks great. Now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients. 1/4 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And give it a quick stir until well combined. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our dumplings is complete. Let's check on our blueberries. Our blueberries has came to a boil. Now we're ready to add in our dumplings. We're just going to drop them into dollops like so. Alrighty, last dumpling. Gonna cover the pot. We're going to cut the fire down to simmer. And this is the important step. We don't want to stir it, otherwise our dumplings will break apart. But you can shake it. So now we're going to let the dumplings cook for 20 minutes. Alright, my friends, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, it smells so good and it's piping hot. See how the dumplings puff up? Isn't that gorgeous? Alrighty, our blueberry dumplings is ready to serve. So I'm about to fix me up a bowl and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a bowl. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. You can't have blueberry dumplings without some vanilla ice cream. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Blueberry dumplings. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me a little ice cream too. Look at that. Have a bite. Mmm. The dumplings are soft and tender, and the blueberries nice and juicy. Nothing like a hot bowl of blueberry dumplings and ice cream on a cold day. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Blueberry dumplings, delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.